Have you ever wondered how the wealthy manage their finances? Welcome to a journey of financial enlightenment. Today, we're delving into the world of wealth management to uncover the secrets to building a fortune. And guess what? You don't need to be a millionaire to start. It's all about starting young, being consistent, and yes, you can do this even on a tight budget. Understanding wealth creation is crucial, and the earlier you start, the better. So, let's dive into it. But first, do you really understand what wealth is? Let's break it down together. Wealth isn't just about having stacks of money. Sure, that's part of it, but there's so much more to the story. It's about assets and investments, things that can grow your money over time. Think property, stocks, even your own education can be an investment. Now let's talk financial freedom. This is the real goal. It's the ability to live the life you want without worrying about money. It's about generating income passively through your investments. Imagine a day where you're making money while you sleep. That's the dream, right? Every dollar you invest is a worker bee, buzzing away to build your wealth hive. The more bees you have, the more honey you'll get. So, wealth isn't just about how much cash you have in the bank, it's about your total net worth and financial freedom. So, how do you start building wealth, especially when you're young and on a budget? Well, let's break it down into easy, manageable steps. First off, saving. This is your starting block. It's about setting aside a portion of your income, no matter how small. It's the practice of living within your means and resisting the urge to splurge on every shiny new thing that catches your eye. Consider it as paying yourself first. Over time, these little drops of savings will accumulate into a significant amount. Now, saving alone won't make you wealthy. The money sitting in your savings account isn't working for you. And that's where investing comes in. Investing is all about taking your hard-earned money and making it work for you. You could invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, or even a small business. The key is to start small, learn as you go, and gradually increase your investments as you become more comfortable. However, remember not to put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your income streams is a crucial step in building wealth. This doesn't mean you need to start a dozen businesses or invest in a wide range of stocks. It simply means not relying solely on one source of income. You could have a day job, a side hustle, investment returns, and perhaps even a passive income source like a rental property. The goal is to create multiple flows of income that can sustain you even if one source dries up. But let's not forget, building wealth isn't just about the money. It's also about your mindset. It's about being disciplined, patient, and persistent. It's about learning from your mistakes and not being afraid to take calculated risks. It's about making smart financial decisions, not just today, but consistently over time. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making smart, consistent financial decisions over time. And with these steps, you're well on your way to building your fortune, even on a budget. Now let's talk about habits. Yes, your daily habits can make or break your financial future. So let's dive into the habits that can make a significant difference. Firstly, budgeting. It's not just about tracking every penny, but understanding where your money goes. It's about making conscious decisions to prioritize needs over wants and saving before spending. Next, we have the habit of avoiding unnecessary debt. Loans and credit cards can be helpful tools when used wisely, but they can also be a slippery slope to financial ruin if not managed properly. And then there's investing. This is not a one-time thing, but a regular habit. Contributing regularly to your investment portfolio, even in small amounts, can lead to substantial growth over time thanks to the magic of compound interest. Remember, these aren't one-off actions. They're habits, daily practices that need to be cultivated and nurtured. Your habits are the building blocks of your financial future, so make sure they're setting you up for success. So there you have it, the roadmap to building your fortune in your 20s on a budget. We've journeyed through understanding wealth, not merely as a stack of cash, but as an engine of opportunity. We've outlined the steps to build wealth, from setting clear financial goals to investing wisely, and we've explored the wealthy habits that can make all the difference. Remember, the journey to wealth is a personal one. Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can, and watch your fortune grow.